to the 6th video of Principal Sheep. Before we start, please like and subscribe. Today, we will be learning about biological molecules. The first example is the structure of carbohydrates. They are mostly made up of simple sugars. Carbohydrate molecules contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. For example, an example of a carbohydrate would be starch and glycogen. They are very big and complex, and they are made of many smaller units, like glucose or maltose, that's made into a long chain that makes up what they are. The second example is the structure of proteins. Proteins are made from chains similarly to the carbohydrates, but they are made of amino acids, and they contain carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. The third example is the structure of lipids. Lipids are made from fatty acids and glycerol, and these aren't chains, unlike the other two. Lipids contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. That is it for today's class. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new. 3, 2, 1.